Nature is meant to be the little one's habitat. It's meant to be their classroom, their teacher. When you bring a child out into nature, just into the wilderness, they don't need any guidance. They don't need any explanation on how things work. Things just work. They just take their hands, they put it down in the dirt. They want to run and balance on the rocks and cross the fallen trees. It just feels right to them. It just feels normal. And the more we raise them in cities and put them in classrooms and in these buildings, and then we give them a quote unquote education, it's causing us to make them fall further away from what they were and what they are naturally, which is a part of this earth. We are meant to be one with it. We're meant to protect these ecosystems. We should be out here. It's just the simple joys. She don't need too much else. She'll find sticks to help dig. She'll find rocks to collect. She'll take the rocks and take them down to the river or pond and wash them off. Your rocks? Yeah, there's rocks everywhere, my mom. Our children should be raised with nature. And since there are spirits in nature, the rocks are alive, and the trees are alive, and the rivers are alive. If there's spirits in all of those things, then that means those spirits have the ability to teach us. Those spirits can interact with our spirits. And we don't realize it, but our spirits yearn to reestablish communion with the spirits of creation. We are just here to guide, not determine who they shall become. You ready? You ready to make moves? Let's keep going this way. Look. Let's go that way.